Grandpa,
Yes?
I true that people could have used to go outside in the old time days.
Yes, we used to go outside.
For real? I want them street. I want people used to set them out in the street like a dog. How come our dog not out in the street? I want them KFC. And I want them road. I want them beach. And I want them TGI. Who would have called someone TGI? Out in the street.
Yo, Fad, you know what I'm call you, don't? Yes, as you may see, me there a lot more often now, because as you know, and me and mom's are, you see me I say, so, but you just want to chat to you still, is it? Like, you keep your respect on a level, me keep my respect on a level, you see me I say, and everything cool in here, you see it? If you need anything, just ask me, you see me? I'm going to tell your mother, you know, if she left things up to me, you know, if she left things up to me, I did it the right way, you see me I say? But, other from that, cool, you cool, me cool, good, is it?
Hola, señorita, mi bonjour.
Ay, papi. Mi casa es tu casa, por favor.
El presidente Venezuela, Feliz Navidad.
Muy caliente.
Enchiladas.
2, 1, 6, 4, 6. Aqua Blanco.
Yo, let off of my shirt, no man. Yo, hurry up and 4D, no brother. I'm moving, no man. Yo, watch it, no more middle seat now drop. Brother, man, the foolishness now. No more middle seat now drop. You deaf? Yo, driver, lock off the AC. Fly all window. Open all window. Yo, you want to bet you sit down again, you?
No, put down.
Yeah, man, I smell it around the front. It come from. My father, my dad, now do nothing, brother. So why the man a skin up him face? Me no know.
See them out. See them
God, the
out.
man nah bite you, man. You forward, no brother. Just walk past, brother. Him no bite. Yo, brother, talk to the man, no man. Yo, the man that normally listen down the first. It's what me a talk about, man. Yo, stop. That's what me a talk about, brother. Stop. Yeah, the man no bite. What is? John, no, brother. No one could give me a hand. I mean, I would. Yo, watching on my general, I never see that dog. I swear, brother. Yo, I won't go on.
Well, the dog, you want me to give a man?
Jaja. Yeah, man, brother, you really f***ed up. You really f***ed up this time. Can't believe it. I won't go on. So one brother asked what is to help him pick up something.
Jaja.
Abu,
It's me.
Yes, I'm still living life. I got so many wives. My wives have wives.
Hey.
They stuck with me forever.
Hey.
Their floors on tiles. They got
Hey.
a man before me, call it stolen tribes. I mean, hey. Sometimes they kinda bushy, but I don't really care more. Cushion on the pookie. White girls see me and say it's hot Kim. Looky. After that, it's straight to the nookie. Hey.
You is taking too long. Massa is going to come in here soon. You need to.
Hey. I don't give a about myself.
Jesus. He's gonna get us in trouble.
Mummy, don't worry, the thing, so curry, the streets, not love it, that's all so bad. Mummy, don't worry, the thing, so curry, the streets, not love it.
Massa's coming, Massa's coming, Massa.
What in the hell is taking you so long to curry my goddamn chicken, boy? You want the chicken cook good or what, yeah? Are you out of your mind, boy? Oh!
What's left?
Master down!
How come you hear from your mother say, shall win be your money and then thing there on the phone there, on the online thing. When you island bet, how come you couldn't tell me about
So she not tell you already what the frig you bring it up
See how
for.
much time I tell her for how you talk to me. You see how much time I tell her that. You go on to my broke your vibes, you know, say bet my broke your
My
vibes.
vibes, hear that. My mom tell that. Anyways, Bundesliga continue now, so you can bet on so much on the Bundesliga, you see it. So just check it out. I know you love balls and them thing there.
Oh, respect, me check it
Yeah,
out.
man, respect. That's our word, man.
By the way, the food where they have in the fridge, me eat it. Yeah. Eat it. Yeah. Don't tell me you broke your vibes. You have manners, hear that little boy. Do it now! Meet Marcia. She has been enjoying the rewards of islandbet.com. She could say her winnings has been happening for quite some time. Quote, quote. Yes, me win!
Me win! Hand it over!
Who doesn't love rewards? Who doesn't love winning? Try out the variety of games on islandbet.com right now so you could be a winner too, just like Marcia.
And you say you belong to me, so ease my mind.
Abu,
It's me. Yes, I'm still living life. I got so many wives. My wives have wives. They stuck with me forever. The floors on tiles. I got a man before me. Call it stolen tribes. I mean, hey. Sometimes they kinda bushy, but I don't really care more. Cushion on the poohie. White.
yo, hurry up with the bag now, man. I feel a joke thing. Yo, why the mother for talk to it? Tell my youth, I'm tell. Because me have the gun there, yeah, fish. Yo, my youth, shut up. Fish. You want to get shot? Yeah, fish you. Shut up, my youth. You don't like that brother. Jimmy, run! Jimmy, what the freak you do? Nah, me nah move. Might I want this? What you mean by nah move? You're blind, brother. I start to rap, man. Fling the bag. You run so fast. Mikey, L, fling the bag.
Can't wait to mash up the food that me have in the fridge. I just want wait there. Wait there. Oh.
Some man fi have enough girl and girl in a bungle. Yo, babes, watch now. I just make you know say you can't come over your weekend because remember me and girl say me have a couple things forward over here, see it, so just do forward over here. You see me I say? Oh, I go busy either way, so I never do plan for forward. You know? How you busy I do? Just my friend when named Carl will call me, but him live in Africa now. How you meet him? Jim.
Cause it's all in my head. I think about it over and over again. I can't keep
I go busy either way, so I never do plan for forward.
it hurts so
Jim.
bad. Cause it's all in my head. I think about it over and over again.
Introducing
Super!
the all-new and improved Sugar Daddy. Available for rent right now. Catch him fast, ladies. He's quick on his toes. Also comes with a bottle of Pinot Grigio.
Okay, but help me then, my phone now turn on. You can fix it for me.
Let me see it. Oh, yeah, man, see that they just want charge.
Okay, but help me then, my phone now turn on. You can fix it for me.
Alright, Grandpa, I'm gonna need you for step back.
Multiply 3 times 5 plus.
Wrong equation! Pliers. Electric tape. Screwdriver. Where the hammer?
Boy, pine, you know somebody have it still, but here we go on, so a little thing be go on with me, you know. You see me, I'll have to go doctor and thing in my youth. I'm not tell you, I'm not normal in a dog, you see it?
Yeah, I will go on.
Yeah, man, I'm not tell you, man, I'll go doctor one day and I be things, man. I'm all tell me, say, I'm final LHD in my kidney. You see me, I say, come here, I say, I feel so bad.
You
things
know
one day.
dog.
I know, say, I have LHD.
Shit.
Our new disease, you see me? Yeah, mess with the brain
You
cell
are a
and them
good dog,
thing,
you see
man.
it, a good dog.
Discombobulated.
General.
Yeah, man, just accept it now, you see it? I say a word, man, little more.
LHD, left hand dry. Yo! My stop ramping me and give me my money that.
Yeah, one more class. One more class.
Shakira, cause I want tonight, you know my hips don't lie, and I'm starting to feel it, boy.
Been so busy, now what time for catch up. Shot my girl to our bust a sweater. Then after me gonna knock some leather. I won't have eyes just because. Just rise and be a my ways as a girl me on up your wine pan. More ice than the car you have a vibe. Leave me alone now, drink walk one. Oh, life no know when I'm my time, so me I go do whatever I want.
Boy, pine, you know somebody have it still, but here we go on, so a little thing be go on with me, you know. You see me, I'll have to go doctor and thing in my youth. I'm not tell you, I'm not normal in a dog, you see it?
Yeah, I will go on.
Yeah, man, I'm not tell you, man, I'll go doctor one day and I be things, man. I'm all tell me, say, I'm final LHD in my kidney. You see me, I say, come here, I say, oh, I feel so bad
John
since
know
1 year.
dog.
I know say I have ADHD.
Shit.
Our new disease, you see me? Yeah, mess with the brain
You
cell
are
and them
good dog.
thing,
You see
man.
it good dog.
Discombobulated.
General.
Yeah, man, I just accept it now, you see it? I say a word, man, little more.
LHD, left hand dry. Yo! My stop ramping me and give me my money that.